Hi, I'm Sarah from Summer, and I'm here to show you how to measure and install your summer gate. Gate styles can vary, so please refer to your instruction booklet for details and safety warnings. I've already measured the area where I'd like to put the gate. I've measured the width, 47.5 inches, and I'd like the gate to come up about this high, 36 inches. My mom always says, measure twice, cut once. So let me double check my measurements so I can make sure I pick the right gate. I bought the perfect gate. Now let's take it out of the box to install it. Notice how it looks a little bent and the door doesn't quite meet up with the latch? That's actually on purpose. This is what creates the pressure for the gate to stay in place. Once I've installed the gate, it won't look crooked anymore. But we'll get to that in a minute. Based on my measurements and the instruction booklet, I know I'll need to use 2 of the included extensions. You shouldn't put all the extensions on the same side. That information is in the instruction booklet, so make sure to read it before you install your gate. For my doorway, I'll put 1 extension on each side. You may not need any extensions or a different number, depending on where you are installing your gate. If you're not using extensions, skip to the next step. Now I'll take the 4 tension bolts and spin these tension nuts so they are touching the pads. This will let me slide the tension bolts into the 4 corners of the gate. These tension bolts are supposed to slide freely. They do not screw into the gate. Next, I'll put the gate into the opening so the bottom of the gate is touching the floor. I'll center the gate so there is equal distance on both sides. I'll slide all 4 tension bolts out until the pads contact the wall. Next, I'll tighten each tension nut until it touches the gate frame. On my right, I'm tightening away from me. On my left, I'm tightening towards me. Do the same for the other tension nuts. For most gates, wall cups with adhesives are required in order to meet safety standards. Check your instruction manual to see if your gate requires wall cups. What's a wall cup, you ask? It's this. A wall cup helps keep your gate in place, and it's where the pressure pads sit, like this. First, I will show you how you'd install wall cups for doorways, hallways, and the bottom of stairs. After, I'll show you what's different for top of stairs. Trace the outline of each tension pad. Loosen the tension bolts and move the gate out of the way for a minute. Peel the backing from one side of each of the adhesive mounting pads. Attach 1 pad to the back of each wall cup. Now let's put the wall cups in place. Make sure that the U shape is on the bottom so that the tension pads can slide down into place. Peel the backing and align the wall cup to the circle outline. Next, stick the wall cup to the wall. Repeat this process for the 3 other wall cups. Now let's put the gate back in place. Slide the tension pads into the wall cups and let's tighten the bottom tension nuts and then the top tension nuts. As you tighten, the door latch will move into position. Now I'll cut this zip tie. Check to make sure the upper and lower gate latches lock securely. This is just right. To open the gate, push the release button away from the handle and lift up on the gate. Swing the door open, voila! If you want the door to open the other way, you can flip the gate around. If you are mounting the gate at the top of the stairs, the wall cups must be installed with screws to meet the proper safety standards. Trace the outline of each tension bolt. Peel the backing from one side of each adhesive mounting pads. Attach 1 pad to the back of each wall cup. Peel the backing and align the wall cup to the outline. Then stick the wall cup to the wall. Repeat process for all, and then finish by screwing the cups into the wall. If you are installing in drywall, place a wall cup over the outline and mark a drill hole with a pencil. You'll need to drill a hole and use the included wall anchors. If you're installing your gate at the top of the stairs, it must be positioned for the door to open away from the stairs. So if the stairs are here, I'm installing so the gate opens this way. The door stopper won't let me open the gate over the stairs. If you have any questions or you need help with your summer gate installation, you can reach out to a friendly member of our team. Our customer service reps are experts in all things summer and are happy to assist you. Because, like we always say, baby has you, you have us.